we are now going to multiply two polynomials. So let's suppose we have a binomial times a trinomial. Well, when we do this, we can use a principle similar to FOIL. At least that's what I like to do, where I'm going to multiply the first one through first to give me x times x squared plus x times 3x minus x times 5. Notice I could do this as plus a minus 5, or I can move the minus up. Or this gives me x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x. Now I'm just going to skip this step on the next one. I'm just going to do a minus 2 through. So I'm going to get a minus 2x squared minus 6x plus 10. Now I can add these together, and that gives me x cubed plus x squared minus 11x plus 10, and here's my answer. Now notice that when I did this, I very deliberately put my x squareds underneath each other, my x's underneath each other, my constant and my x cubes by themselves. If I line this up in a semi-vertical and horizontal way, then it's a lot easier to line up my like terms and to add them together. So just to show another example of this, suppose I have x cubed minus 2x squared plus x, and I'm going to multiply that by x squared minus 3x plus 7. Well, I'm going to start by multiplying the x cubed through. So I'm going to get x to the 5th minus 3x to the 4th plus 7x cubed. Now I do the middle one through. Gives me a minus 2x squared times x squared is minus 2x to the 4th plus 6x cubed minus 14x squared. And finally, my x at the end gives me an x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x. And notice again, I lined up my like terms, so all I have to do is add going down, x to the 5th minus 5x to the 4th plus 14x cubed minus 17x squared plus 7x, and I have successfully multiplied out my polynomials.